It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Let's talk smart home comfort. The GoveeLife Wi-Fi Thermometer, hygrometer H5103. This little gadget lets you track temperature and humidity in real time through the Govee Home app, whether you're at home or away. It's built with a Swiss-made sensor for serious accuracy and updates every 2 seconds. The electronic ink display is easy to read, low on battery use, and lasts up to 6 months. Could a tiny device save your comfort this summer?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in